Greetings, greetings. What up, though? What up, though? I know it's been a minute, but hey, thank you for checking in. Today is 211th post for my 254-day challenge. I'm like, hey, girl, just go on and knock this on out. What up, though? What up, though? I've been in the air. I've been in the air on cloud nine. Yes, cloud nine. And then I hit rock bottom. I hit rock bottom, y'all. I hit rock bottom. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm back. I'm back. Yes, I'm back. Today is 211 of the 254-day challenge. I'm continuing on. I said I was not going to give up, that I was going to finish this, and that is exactly what I am going to do. So thank you. Thank you for checking in. Hit that like button, that thumbs up button, that little thing. If you could just tap that for me, it doesn't cost you anything. Just tap that. Come on, tap it. And if you have not subscribed, why don't you go ahead to that where it's set. Subscribe there on the right hand side, like towards the bottom. Click subscribe. You see a bell. Click the bell that's all black. Yeah, do that for me. I need them numbers. My subscriptions number, my subscription number up. I am attempting to hit a goal of 1,000. I can get it done. Like, come on now. I'm not asking for much. We almost there. Just a little bit more to go. Help me get over there. Help me get over there. Road to 1,000. Y'all know I really do want that YouTube plaque. So what I gotta do to get that? I think I need 1,000,000 for that, and I'm asking for 1,000. We're gonna ride this goal step by step in the process. Yeah, I'm not asking for much. No, I'm not. Just your support, which doesn't cost you nothing to hit that like and subscribe and hit the bell so it turns black. I'm asking for 3 things from you. 3, and it's free. Thank you in advance for your support of Fly444. And if you are a subscriber, I surely appreciate you. Shouts out to Queen of Shades, Mrs. Taboo. Queen of Shades is what we call her, and you might see her out and about. And if you do, stop through. Queen of Shades, Miss Taboo. Home-based businesses, you guys. And if I'm not mistaken, Mrs. Taboo has up the notch, up the level. So she's not so much in her home anymore, but has a shop. So again, her information is here. Look her up. And if you see her out in the streets, holla at her. She be at all them events, Mrs. Taboo. And make sure when you do, let her know that Brownie from Fly444 sent you. And while you're at it, have you shopped for your Fly444 luggage set, where we say stay charged while on the go with Fly444? We have those black and black croc 2-piece luggage sets that also comes in pink. Right now we're doing a pre-order for pink for release in October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Perfect color in pink and pink croc. Shop Fly444 and stay charged on the go. I truly appreciate those who have supported, and I truly appreciate those who want to support. And understanding sometimes might be a little bit beyond your budget. So for those who are desiring to get in where they fit in, stay tuned. We have sales coming your way. The Fly444 2-piece luggage set. Right now I have the black and black croc on hand and getting ready to relaunch the pink and pink with a pre-order sale. So tap in.